optimize application. That will also see in detail. Then predictive maintenance is there. And apart from that, if you see these other boxes, Toshiba, Windmuller, so these are the nothing but the third-party vendors who is already having control, like Festo. Festo को भी pneumatic controller वगैरह है. That is also sometimes a competition. But he has developed the application to integrate Festo control in Siemens platform. And उसने यहाँ पे deploy कर दिया. So once if you want to end customer is having Festo controller, straight away by using this edge computing technology, you can buy this application and integrate all these devices. वो भी हो सकता है. And apart from that, if there is a customized application, you can use it. And then that is choice is yours, how much you want to charge to the customer. So by using edge computing, we can enhance the existing functionality of the machine, because this application development can be anywhere. Python, C++, what I said. Database can be anything. On top of that, you can put AI also. That is one scenario. Second scenario, central management. End user के सिनेरियो में तो क्वाइट इजी है, क्योंकि एक मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम रहेगा, एवरीथिंग इज ऑन द शॉप फ्लोर. बट ओईएम के लिए कैसे अप्रोच करोगे आप? ओईएम के लिए ओईएम का सिनेरियो कैसा रहेगा? बिकॉज इन end user management will have edge devices, on top of that edge management system there. Everything is on the shop floor. But on OEM, his machines are not in his office or in his premise. It will be across the globe, correct? हर एक end user में उसका एक मशीन रहेगा. Then how will manage it? कैसे करोगे हमें?
एज मैनेजमेंट तो OEM के पास रह सकता है.
Correct. Devices will be installed on individual machines. So by putting VPN, he can manage all these machines. तो ये चेक भी कर सकता है कि सपोज एक मैंने कंप्रेसर दिया है, लेट्स से कस्टमर ए, सेम कंप्रेसर आई हैव गिवन टू द कस्टमर बी, बट कस्टमर ए सेइंग दैट तुम्हारा कंप्रेसर की एफिशिएंसी डाउन है, सेम कंप्रेसर बी का अच्छा है. देन सेंट्रली बाय सिटिंग हियर यू कैन कंपेयर आल्सो. सो फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन फाइंड आउट कि वो जो कस्टमर ए बोल रहे इट्स रियली करेक्ट और ही इज यूजिंग ओवर यूटिलाइजेशन. जो डिफाइंड स्पीड होगा, सपोज मे बी एनर्जी का, मे बी रनिंग आवर्स, मे बी 500, मे बी yearly, maybe instead of 5 hours, 500 hours, maybe will go maybe 600, 700. So he is utilizing or he is using oversize on that. So that's why maybe a performance is getting down. तो ये सब analysis कर सकता है on his print. Then third scenario, that is anyway pre-processing can be happen, because let's say if you are sending 100 tags from the field to the cloud, it is okay. It will not consume bandwidth, it will not consume too much cost also. But if it is a 1,000 number of variables which are coming from field, 10,000, 1 lakh tags, if you are sending all this tag to the cloud for further analysis, it will be a costly as well as bandwidth issue. So instead of that, you can pre-process all this data on the edge, and then further data you can send to the cloud for further analytics. And this is what EdgeBox is there. We are providing their hardware, okay, that is edge device. On top of that, runtime is there, which has security user management, and on top of that, you can run your own application. And all these applications are Dockerized application. So you can develop application, Dockerize it. Again, it is IT terminology. We'll share some documentation. You can go through that. Next week, we are also offering training for the partner. So we have received a couple of nominations also from your side. So where we'll have 2 days complete hands-on on this complete technology. So we are going to cover all this stuff. Anyway, we had already done one batch, now the second batch is there. So if you are not maybe nominated, if you don't find use case, maybe you have a chance. And then once the applications are there, so some of the applications from Siemens you can get it, some of the applications maybe yours also, parallel all these applications will run on same EdgeBox, वो भी चलेगा. Now if I go in detail from licensing, because this is very important, once licensing is also clear, you will come to know what offering will be there. So IHub access is free, there is no cost. Second, edge device is one time. If he is buying from Siemens, then yes, if it is having his own edge device, there is no cost, only there will be cost for edge runtime handling charges. For first edge device, it is a free. So that third one is for first edge device, it is a free. So you can start with POC with customer. So एक साल के लिए उसको मतलब first edge device दे दो ऐसे ही trial period में. Once you like it, then on top of that, once you have multiple edge devices are there, then you will get more business. And then last one, fourth one, if you are selling Siemens application, Siemens will get the revenue. If you are selling your own customized application, then even customer don't have to pay. You can get all this. Now, these are the different type of applications are available from our side. The first one is the performance analytics, predictive services. We'll see in detail. So you can connect even multi-vendor system to single EdgeBox also. Each application you have defined limit. So once the data is available, such a type of ready-to-use dashboards are available. So If I see in detail, such a type of, let's say customer is having plant, in plant we have 10 line, in each line how many machines are there, you can get complete this ready to use dashboard. So you have to provide a parameter and such a type of analytics is available in the performance inside. So downtime analysis, then MTR, MTBF, this KPI, you can define your own formulas, storage will be there, you can select date and time, even you can create reporting also out of that for the customer. So this is one of the use case. If customer is looking or application is like biscuit manufacturing line and in the oven customer is looking for the maintain the quality of the biscuit. So quality of the biscuit it depends on which factor. कौन से factor हो सकते हैं?
Raw material.
Raw material is one thing that is not in our control, but at least recipe. हाँ, environmental, maybe temperature कितना है, humidity कितना है, वो सब कितना time तक रखा है. Correct. So quality of the biscuit is depending on these other parameters. Now customer want to find out the correlation. At least I'll get a optimize or best quality. So manually he has to do so many things, right? क्योंकि उसके पास तो एक तो data नहीं रहेगा. Because to find out you require old data also to get the right coefficient. So with the help of same PI application we have a functionality called as a multivariable regression. Through that you can find out the relation between y is equal to mx plus c. तो जो बाकी वेरिएबल्स है जो y के ऊपर डिपेंड है x and z उसका कोएफिशिएंट with the help of this it will give it to you. By using these values you can optimize your complete quality. So this is one of the application you can find out if your customer is having. Then next one is the step time analysis. We have also very good success on that. So what benefit customer will get it or what type of solution with the help of same PI. Let's say customer के पास 10-12 machines है or maybe 20-30. Now this plant is very old and as per the defined let's say criteria or maybe a defined KPI from the OEM provider, that machine is not performing well. Okay, let's say if machine is saying that, let's say if it is a automotive manufacturer and he is manufacturing the car door, okay, one of the assembly line or maybe in the press line, all these machines, let's say throughput is like every car manufacturer, that door manufacturer should complete within the 3 seconds, but that machine is taking sometimes 4 seconds, 5 seconds. Now customer is interested to find out the cycle time analysis or cycle time for each and every machine. By using this application, you can find out within shift कितने बार वो machine cycle time within limit था overshoot कर दिया, so that you will come to know what is the bottleneck, what is the reason behind that, why a particular machine is taking more cycle time than the defined. So that all this analysis can be possible. Energy का हमने देखा है, so I will not go into that. Such a type of energy analysis ये simple है, एक edge box डाल दिया वहाँ पे relative maintenance और PI का application डाल दिया. On same edge box another application I installed, that is energy manager. Through that I can get all energy details from the field because we have model specific connectivity. OPC is there, S7 is there, in between gateway is there, so you can capture data over S7 and through that such a type of dashboard you will get it. We have already seen similar dashboard on the previous session also, but this is a very cost effective solution. एक edge box डाल दो, एक machine के साथ energy meter का data आ रहा है. By using this application you can monitor complete machine efficiency or line efficiency also or plant efficiency. So heat map them, you can find out the heat map, you can find out the distribution of the energy via Sankey. And this application is not only meant for the electrical parameter. Suppose customer is interested to have mechanical parameters or non-electrical, compressed air कितना consume हुआ है, gas कितना consume हुआ है. So apart from electrical, he can find out here non-electrical parameters also. So and these are the standard application ready to use it.
बारकोड स्कैनर भी अटैच हो जाता है.
बारकोड स्कैनर का भी एप्लीकेशन डेवलप कर सकते हो यहाँ पे. There are certain applications are available. We have some POC also. Then drive data analytics. ये काफी famous है nowadays. Everyone is looking for such type of drive train analytics. So you have standard application for that. Then you can analyze complete drive efficiency. Then predictive analysis. So that is for the drive as well as motor as well as your grid also. If customer is looking for some predictive service for the drive train system, so you can do such a type of predictive analysis. Even there is one, if you see virtual temperature sensor, here to find out the temperature of the motor, you cannot put temperature sensor inside that for condition based monitoring or for predictive maintenance. So we have another application called as a twin. So with the help of live twin, you can simulate that temperature sensor data within the edge box as an application. So same feedback can be given here. So for the running time, what could be the temperature with respect to the time zone that can be simulated in the as application and given to input here. So there are so many machines, or there are so many type of devices in the field where we cannot use actual sensor there due to environmental issue, or maybe due to particular site problem, or maybe there is no possibility to mount some sensors also. So that can be simulated via this application. So shop floor to cloud, that we already seen it. So I will not go in detail. This is what I was saying regarding the simulation of the complete sensors that is possible. I will not go each and every application, but this is a anomaly detection. So that slide will share you. But now I will go into the one of the application. This is Mendix development. Now another topic. Okay, I hope edge computing is clear, right? कौन से 3 लेयर एज कंप्यूटिंग में? जस्ट रिफ्रेशर. वो तो फंक्शन हुआ, बट लेयर